Today we're going to be drawing a Christmas Baby Yoda. Let's get started. First step we're going to take is to draw the top of the hat by making a line up like this. And then we're going to go kind of downwards. And then from that line, kind of start here and go over, around like this, and then down. Now we're gonna make like the fluffy part of the hat, and it kind of just reminds me of a cloud. So just draw big puffy lines like this to about there, and then keep going around to about here. Now we're gonna close up our puffy lines by making more, just like this. And then when you get to the end, stop about right there. Don't close it up yet, because we're going to make the ball to the hat, which will go right here. So draw a little puff ball that connects all the way across, just like this. And then if you do have spaces left over, you just close it up. There we go. Now we're going to draw the head. It's going to start about here and then go across like this. Now we're going to go up, up, up for the ear to about here. Then make a curve just like this. And then from that curve, go down and around and stop. Now from this line, we're going to make the inside of the ear by going across and down to about there. Now let's make the other side of his ear. We're going to start above the little puff ball and go out, 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 just like the other ear. And then we're going to go around, and then we're going to come back in a bit and go down. And then from that line, we're going to go inwards to about here. Now we're going to make a line to start forming his face. It's going to be curved to about there. And then this side, it's going to get a bit tricky because he's going to have a hand right here. So let's start making the fingers. One finger is going to start from about here and go up to the inside of his ear, and then go around and stop. I'm going to stop because I'm going to draw a Christmas bulb here. Let's draw one of his nails going up and around, just a little curve. And then another finger is going to come out and down to about here. Next, we're going to draw the Christmas bulb. It's going to go up, around, and then stop at the top. And then from the top, you're going to draw a little line over, and then it's going to bump out and down to the bottom. We're going to close it off by making just kind of like a little square at the bottom. My square is not really square, it's kind of rounded. That's okay. Next, we're going to close up any lines that we didn't have closed already, like that one. Now I'm going to make another finger. It's going to come out to about there, and then we're going to go around and down a bit. Let's make some of the nails. One nail is going to go like this. Another nail is going to come out here. They're just little half circles. So here's our bulb and the hand. Starting to look good. Now we're going to make part of the Santa outfit. So start at your bulb, which is about here, and then make those little puffball shapes to about here. And then we're gonna layer the puffball shape like this, and then keep going across his face to about there. Now, in the middle of the puffball, where we did this line, I'm gonna go down with those same curves like this. And then I'm gonna go around, around, and then go up to his ear, about there. Now we're going to make some more patterns around his hand. So start at his finger and then make those puff patterns all the way across to his other finger. There we go. Now we're going to make the same pattern, but going in the opposite direction like this, all the way across to about there. Now we're going to make that pattern close up. There we go. Now we're going to make another arm. So we have this hand, we need to make an arm, and then the rest of his body. So start here. I'm going to make a line going down like this. That'll be his body. And then his arm comes out here. And then that same puff pattern going around. And then close up that pattern. There we go. Now make his hand. His hand's going to come out and over like this. And then we're going to go around. And then we're going to make another finger. It's going to come out and over. Let's make a little nail, just like our other ones. And then here's another nail. Now, let's do his body. I started his body here, so let's make another line that goes out and down. And then from here, kind of in the middle, make a line down. His arm, start here, make a line, and then again, make a line down. There we go. I'm gonna make some more lines to form like his arm creases, just to make it more detailed. You could put as many lines as you want, as little, it's up to you. But I think just making these random lines everywhere kind of makes it more detailed, like it's creased up. Now let's make his face. We're gonna start by making his eyes. Let's do a big eye, which is just one circle, another eye, another circle. We're gonna make a big circle and then a smaller circle in the middle, another big circle, and then a smaller one. And then we're gonna color the outside black and then leave the inside of it white. Let's draw some more facial features. So we're gonna draw his nose. Just make a little curve like this for his nose. And then for his mouth, it's going to look like this, curved, go up and over, and then curve again for the smile. We're gonna make some eyebrows, one, and then two curved. I'm gonna finish up his ear by making a line like the same one we did over here. So just make it go down and over. So I drew one bulb. Now we're gonna make some more like on a string that's gonna go out. So start making your string and go out to the end of your paper. And then make another string that goes down. And then wherever you want another bulb, you can make it. So here I made that string go down, and I'm just gonna draw a bump and then a curved line over. And then this bulb is gonna face down. So I did a curve, and then I'm gonna make another curve here. Now let's make that string light go over, and I'm gonna make it in his hand. So stop about here and then make that bulb pattern. I'm gonna make a circle this time, but you can make it like this, like that. It really doesn't matter. It's whatever you want. My bulb's gonna go into his hand like this, and then it's gonna look like it's going through the back side of it. So you can make it cut through his hand and then go up and over. So it kind of looks like he's holding it. Now I'm gonna make another loop, just going out, loop it out, and then off the page. You can make another bulb wherever you want. I'm gonna make one last bulb here, and it's gonna go this way, out and around, and then make that same curved pattern. There we go. I think he looks great. Let's color him in. Here's our Christmas Baby Yoda. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please like this video if you enjoyed this drawing, and please subscribe to the channel for new videos. I will see you next time. Bye.